someday I'm gonna be with you. It's okay, I know someday I'm gonna be with you.
If you aren't ready to be in a relationship, don't be in one, okay? You're gonna end up breaking their heart, and that's not your heart to be breaking. That's their heart. Leave their heart out of it. Leave them alone, okay? Don't even bother talking to them.
It's okay, I know some. It's okay, I know some.
Guys, treat your fucking girl right, yo. Send her good morning and good night text, man. Show her the fuck off. Yo, flex her on your Snapchat, flex her on your Instagram. Don't ever let her go to bed wondering if she's enough for you, because she definitely is.
Someday I'm gonna be with.
Did you just toot?
It's okay, I know someday I'm gonna be.